Ever wish you could precisely replace existing text in Word without deleting anything first? Let's jump right into how to overwrite in Microsoft Word. First, let's explore Overtype Mode. The classic method: head to File, then click on Options in the Word Options window. Select Advanced from the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see Use Overtype Mode. Check the box next to it. Click OK to save the changes. Now, press the Insert key on your keyboard. This toggles Overtype Mode on and off. When it's on, you'll see OVR in the status bar at the bottom of your Word window. Position your cursor where you want to start overwriting, and simply type the new text. Will replace the existing text, character by character. Press the Insert key again to turn Overtype Mode off. But there's another super useful way. Go to the Home tab, and in the Editing group, click Replace. In the Find What field, type the text you want to replace. In the Replace With field, type the new text. Click Replace to change just one instance, or Replace All to change every instance throughout your document. Lastly, don't forget the simplest method. Just select the text you want to replace and start typing. The selected text will automatically be deleted and replaced by your new text.